In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can use the UI within the PIM to manually upload digital assets. You can also, and I'm also going to cover how you can set a digital asset image in this instance as the primary, so it shows in various places within the PIM using this. So the first thing that we're going to do is just navigate to a particular product. You can do this in a number of ways, but I'm just going to use pretty standard ones. So go into product, find my product. In this instance, I just want to use my test one here, test product elements. Got no asset. I'm coming to the digital asset menu, and I've got two little ways of adding ones. I can either attach an existing image, find it and attach it. I'm not going to do that this time, but we just do test. We've got a few there, so I could just select them, and basically this would attach those images to my system as required. But in this instance, I'm just going to use the add quick create. So you can see I've got a number of boxes that I can fill in. So first thing I'm going to do is just upload my files. So you can see it's already, because I'm on the product, it's already allocated it to this particular product. I have an option to upload a URL. So if you were looking to look at your images or other areas that are stored elsewhere, you could use a URL with a URL link to the image, as long as the IT infrastructure that you have permits it. But in this instance, I'm just going to upload a file. I'm going to give it a title, so test file upload, we'll call it. Browse to my file. So in this instance, I just want some bulk upload stuff. So let's just do that one as a new attachment. So I've got it attached. I'm going to just call it image 1. So these categories that you're seeing here, some of them have meaning, but you could also add other categories. They will dictate what icons we've got as defaults. These are the default ones you've seen. There's also, depending on what you choose as a category, you can also have dependent pick lists. So just to define types of assets that you've got. Also for media SEO type person, you could actually add some metadata here, or ownership information. This is a test, and equally here, SEO is an upload, so or whatever you want with the owner. It's already filled in products that you can associate this with. You can associate it with multiple products, but this is the key one, primary image for the product. So what we're going to do is we're just going to allocate this to test product DAM, which we can see here, and we're quite happy. We're saving it. So now what you can see is the image has actually been added as a primary image. It's the one that's going to show in any of the displays. So if I was going into our category list and just looking at the tree views, and just go down to our ZZ here, you can see here it is here. In this view here, we've got images showing in this view, so it shows here now. So that's actually just going back. So we've gone to the product menu, we've selected our product, we've filled in, we've attached and filled in the details. So just here, we've gone through our process here, and then we've we've not followed this process, but we've ended up with our image and our digital asset added. So that's how you do that within the PIM.